This video tutorial I will explain internationalizing time. The display format of time differs from one region to another region. So we need to internationalize the time. In case of US, we have to display the time in this format. In case of China, we have to display the time in this format. In case of France, we have to display the time in this format. DateFormat class provides methods to internationalize the time. We will see how to format the time for the different locale. Here I have defined the class Internationalization time demo, and it has a display time method which accept locale, and this method is responsible for format the time based on the given locale. Here I am calling get time instance method of DateFormat class and passing the style and the locale. This method returns DateFormat object, and using format method of DateFormat object, I am formatting the date, and this method returns formatted time, and that time value I am displaying here. First I am passing locale as US, then I am passing locale as China, then I am passing locale as France. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.